Now we know what are adjectives and their types, so we'll do some exercises for recapitulation. First exercise is complete the sentences using the adjectives given below. Those are which, whose, own, and what. Sentences. These are some fill-ups. Okay. Try to do it. Dash shoes are these. Dash color would you like? Dash book were you reading yesterday? And she danced so much that she hurt her dash toe. Now the answers of the first exercise. Whose shoes are these? What color would you like? Which book were you reading yesterday? And she danced so much that she hurt her own toe. Next exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the brackets. First is I bought dash pastries for my friends. Options are a few or little. I have dash friends, much or many. Dash students decided to clean the school. Options few or little. There is a dash risk in this job. Options few or little. The dash soldiers fought against the huge army. Little or few. The answers of the given exercise. I bought a few pastries for my friends. I have many friends. Few students decided to clean the school. There is a little risk in this job. The few soldiers fought against the huge army. Next exercise is complete the sentences with the correct degrees of adjectives given in the brackets. My uncle has the dash interesting job in the world. Next is this was one of the dash good movies I have ever seen. I had the dash day today. I lost my precious notebook. This exercise is dash difficult than the previous one. The days are dash in summer than during winter. The answers of that exercise. My uncle has the most interesting job in the world. This was one of the best movies I have ever seen. I had the worst day today. I lost my precious notebook. This exercise is more difficult than the previous one. The days are longer in summer than. Next exercise is complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. Dash socks are these. Rakhi is dash than Ayaan. I added dash sugar to milk. There are dash pastries in the box. That was the dash book I have ever read. He had a dash time on his first day. The boy spoke in a dash and dash way. Okay. The answers of that exercise. Whose socks are these? Rakhi is wiser than Ayaan. I added a little sugar to milk. There are many pastries in the box. That was the best book I have ever read. He had a bad time on his first day. The boy spoke in a very interesting and attractive way. Next exercise is complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. The, the dash sight of ice cream tempted Katy. 5 dash chicks played around the hen and the rooster. Dash grandfather was a professor at the university. On each side of the swimming pool there were dash tables. Meghna fell down while trying to tie her dash shoelaces. Dash principal shared some very interesting stories with us. It was a dash day and people were carrying dash umbrellas. Okay. The beautiful sight of ice cream tempted Katy. Five small chicks played around the hen and the rooster. My grandfather was a professor at the university. On each side of the swimming pool there were four tables. Meghna fell down while trying to tie her black shoelaces. Our principal shared some very interesting stories with us. It was a rainy day and people were carrying their umbrellas. Okay.